Sketchboard. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Sketchboard is a collaborative online whiteboard platform geared towards teams, particularly software development teams, seeking a flexible and visual way to brainstorm, plan, and manage projects. Key features include an infinite canvas, a vast library of pre-built shapes and templates tailored for various methodologies like Scrum, Kanban, and UML diagrams. Real-time collaboration is central, allowing multiple users to simultaneously edit and contribute to the board. Integrations with popular tools like Google Workspace, Slack, and Microsoft Teams streamline workflows by embedding the whiteboard directly into existing communication and project management ecosystems. Sketchboard excels in visually mapping complex systems and processes. It's strongest for teams that require a shared understanding of architectures, user flows, or project dependencies. The pre-built templates significantly speed up the process of creating common diagrams, reducing the time spent on formatting and design. Its strength also lies in its relatively simple and intuitive interface compared to some competing platforms, making it accessible to users with varying levels of technical expertise. However, Sketchboard has weaknesses. While the template library is extensive, customization options for individual shapes and templates can be limited, potentially requiring workarounds for highly specific needs. The free tier is quite restrictive, limiting the number of private boards and collaborators, which can be a barrier for smaller teams or individuals on a budget. Compared to specialized diagramming tools, Sketchboard's advanced diagramming capabilities are somewhat basic. It might not be the ideal choice for highly detailed technical diagrams requiring advanced styling or specific diagramming notations. Its offline functionality is also limited. In conclusion, Sketchboard is a solid choice for teams needing a user-friendly and collaborative online whiteboard with a strong focus on visual brainstorming and project planning, particularly in software development contexts. While it may lack the advanced customization and diagramming capabilities of specialized tools, and the free tier has limitations, its ease of use, extensive template library, and seamless integrations make it a valuable asset for fostering teamwork and visual communication. If your team values simplicity and speed in visualizing complex ideas, Sketchboard is worth serious consideration.